Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum guys, how are you? The recipe which we are gonna make today is world famous dish sweet and sour chicken. Today I will share its original recipe. The origin of sweet and sour chicken is China. In 18th century it was called Kulu Yok. It is commonly used in East Asia and Southeast Asia. For this recipe, I have taken some flattened breast pieces of chicken. For making its batter, I have taken 3/4 cup all-purpose flour, some salt and some pepper and 1 teaspoon baking powder and also half teaspoon sesame seeds. Mix this. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon eatable olive oil. Further, I will add some water as much as I could make its proper batter like this. You can check the consistency of this batter. We don't need a thin batter. Okay. I have heated some oil. Now I am dipping my chicken pieces in this batter and I am dropping in hot oil. I will fry the chicken in 3 batches and also we need their light golden color. We don't have to fry these till dark golden color. Okay, I'm getting them flip and also frying. Okay, our first batch is ready. Let's get them out from the hot oil. Okay guys, now I will prepare or fry my all chicken pieces. I will dip in batter and then I will drop in hot oil. Today I will discuss about this recipe a very important point. If we have not tomato puree, so what can we do in this regard? I'm gonna tell you the substitute for tomato puree. Let's see. Now our second batch is also ready. There you go friends. I have fried my all chicken pieces. Let's come to our sauce. Sweet and sour sauce. For this, first I am taking 2 tablespoons or more than 2 tablespoons butter. You can use any type of butter, unsalted or salted. I am using salted butter here. Now I am adding my sliced 4 tomatoes. First, I will make their puree and then I will start the procedure of our sweet and sour sauce and then we will make our sweet and sour chicken. Okay, I am getting them saute. Here also we need some water. I will saute these tomatoes until they will become a smooth puree. In middle, I will discard the peels of these tomatoes also. Now I am adding half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon white pepper, fruit vinegar. Here I am using 2 tablespoons. Okay. Now I am adding dark soya sauce 1 tablespoon and also I am adding light soya sauce about 2 to 3 tablespoon here and also I am adding white vinegar 3 to 4 tablespoon. It's up to your taste how much sorry you can tolerate. Also I am adding half cup of tomato ketchup of any brand. Okay, brown sugar 2 tablespoon heaped. Mix these. Okay, if you seem there is some water required, so you can add but not too much water, only about tablespoons 2-3 tablespoons. Most important ingredient of this recipe, raspberry jam. Okay, I'm using 1 tablespoon heaped. It's time to mix all of these ingredients because we need a smooth sauce. Sweet and sour sauce for our today's recipe, sweet and sour chicken. So I will cook this sauce only 2-3 minutes and then we will check the consistency. If there would be any need to add slurry of corn flour and water, so definitely we will use, otherwise we will skip. According to me, the consistency of our sauce is perfect. Now I'm gonna add some veggies. I have red bell pepper, green bell pepper, onion, and pineapple slices. I have cubed each and everything. Okay, first I'm gonna add this red bell pepper, onion. I have used two medium size of onions, and here I have green capsicum. Okay, I will add pineapple later. Okay, let's stir all of these veggies so those could be coated. Actually, in this recipe, we don't have to cook our veggies completely because now it's bubbling. You can see. Now it's time to add our pineapple cubes. Okay, let's add. It's approximately half cup. You can also use its syrup, but I didn't use. Now I'm adding my fried chicken. Mix it also. So all of veggies and chicken could be coated in our sweet and sour sauce. And our sweet and sour chicken is ready. You can see the serving, guys. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. It's looking very pretty, and this saucy chicken is looking very awesome. Its taste would be definitely different which you have made at your home before this, because I have added its original ingredient, raspberry jam. Definitely you are gonna try this recipe at your homes, and see you soon. Allah Hafiz.